ਚੋਲਾ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੀਰੋ ਲੀਰ ਐਦਰ, ਉਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਵੀ ਜਿੰਦ ਬੇਹਾਲ ਫਿਰਦੀ, ਸੂਏ ਜੋੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਤਾਪ ਚੜ੍ਹਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਵਾਲ ਫਿਰਦੀ। ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਵੀ ਚੂੜੀਆਂ ਟੁੱਟਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਤੇਰੇ ਚੱਕ ਵੀ ਹੋਠਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਵਿਕਦੇ, ਉਸ ਨਗਰ ਵੀ ਤੁਲਦਾ ਏ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇਰਾ, ਮੇਰੇ ਖਾਬ ਇਸ ਨਗਰ ਵੀ ਮੁੱਲ ਵਿਕਦੇ। ਪਾਟੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਦੇ ਵਾਂਗ ਇਹ ਦੁੱਖ ਸਾਡਾ, ਇੱਕ ਲੀਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਦੂਜੀ ਲੀਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ।
Who knew that Salim Khwaja, known as Ahmad Salim, became a versatile Urdu and Punjabi poet and a great prolific writer, having Faiz Saab has been a great mentor for him.
आजिज़ी सीखी, गरीबों की हिमायत सीखी, गमो आलाम के दुख दर्द के माने सीखे। My favorite poet was Faiz Ahmed Faiz. He was a trade union leader. He was a filmmaker. He was a teacher, textbook writer. He gave us an ideology for the betterment and welfare of human being.
He was a great lover of Iqbal. Ahmad Salim has not bothered about the medium as much. He has bothered about the content, carried out extensive research, more than an institution can do.
Cultural patterns are important as languages do not die. Salim Ahmed did huge contribution for Punjabi and Sindhi folklore. Few of his masterpieces include Titliyan Te Tank, Kunja Muiya, Mauj Zar, Salam Bombay.
The curse of globalization, I will say, the menace of globalization has reduced our local cultures and languages to ground.
Ahmad Salim is one of the person that every institution in South Asia would be proud of having his association, and we take pride that he is working with SDPI for last more than a decade now.
बहुत लोग SDPI को अहमद सलीम साहब की वजह से जानते हैं, उस वजह से SDPI is, I'm sure, very indebted to Ahmad Salim.
Ahmad Salim not only taught but worked a lot as a translator. No wonder he is known as Ahmad Salim Mutarajjim. He is the founder of the South Asian Research Center. In 2010, Government of Pakistan decorated him with Pride of Performance Award for his rich contribution to the literature. Salim Saab has been a great source of wisdom and knowledge in the form of rich archive.
I am struggling for last 10 years that can I purchase a 5 to 10 marla land in Islamabad to preserve my books, my materials if I am passed away. In that way, I sometimes feel very horrified when I think that these books and this library will be destroyed.
Ahmad Salim is a bulwark against the negative influence of globalization. He promotes regional languages like Punjabi, which he calls Ma Boli, is a step in this direction. If his spirit is counted, the world heritage can be protected in this age of globalization. With cameraman Suhail Malik, this is Fatna Mansoor, SDTV, Islamabad.
तेरे दीदार की रुत अब रुलाएगी हमें कितना, ये बस्ती फर्श गुल पे और कितना खून छड़केगी।